Hello YouTube, welcome to the repair of the Little Red Wagon. A few years ago I was carrying a wood stove out of the shed in here and I had it on a ramp and it fell off the ramp. And all the weight shifted and trashed this back of the wagon. You can see how sprung out that is. Okay, we almost got all the screws out. We're going to tear it apart. We're going to take our wire brush and everything on the inside we can to get the rust out and pound all the dents out. So keep this probably a short video. I don't know, it'll be probably a couple parts because I'm going to have to paint it, so stay tuned. We'll try to show you more work and less talk, being just such a simple job. But you get to see some of the ways and tools I use to bang the dents out. Okay, we got the running gear off. That piece right there, and then that. You take one of these apart, these keep it from turning only so far. We're going to soak these in vinegar for a day or so, because they are nylon lock nuts, and then probably repaint them. We'll probably repaint these, the head of them red, because they'll be inside the wagon. But we'll probably paint them separately. That way we can always touch it up when we get it together. That way it's painted, the hole's painted, see, then the bolt's painted separate. You think you know what I mean. I said we're going to soak all this stuff in some vinegar because they're worth for using instead of going buying or looking for carriage bolts, because they have a screw head. If I can get one out of here. Let's see, they got a screw head. Okay, enough of that. We'll go get some hammers and stuff. We got a piece of metal down here. Show you how we're going to do this. It ain't going to be no perfect body work. We're just going to hammer it out the best we can. Okay, we got a block of metal under here, and we've been taking this hammer, some people call it over a cross peen. I have one where it goes the opposite way too with the head. You know what I mean? It goes this way. I have one that goes up and down on the head. It's a big one. Going along here, along where this is raised, and trying to hammer this back down flat. In here I just used a ball peen. There's a bump there, flat head. And then for little ones, which ain't gonna do much good, that's pretty heavy stuff. You got like my little tack hammer for a pick hammer, but so just the basic hammers, whatever fits. Like I said, like going around here, get in view there. Going around here trying to get this, because before it's all bent in. We're trying to save this shape and get this to be flat again. So we can always turn our piece of metal. We have our 10-pound sledgehammer head. We can use like for a dolly if you want to put on the other side of the metal. If you've ever done body work, you hold this on the other side of the metal, hit on the other side with a hammer. So use that, what they call like a body dolly. You can do this. Here comes that train. We're shutting off the camera. Okay, this is the best we're going to do. We put a straight edge here. We put a straight edge here. This wagon has a permanent bow in it. Oil painting, in fact. And this has been repainted before. I just masked around close by the emblem. You see that line? That's where the masking tape was years ago. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to hand sand the sides. And there's the inside. So we got a little work to do in the front. It's kind of bowed up. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of bowed up right here compared to this being flat. So we've been putting our big sledgehammer head in there to act like a dolly. There you go. Sounds like neighbor kids are out playing. Okay, that's enough for now. I don't know how much more is going to be on this part. It's probably going to be a two-part video. The second part will be painting it and putting it back together.